Yes, I have the Flash Gordon theme song stuck in my head. This is episode 8 of Uncle Dan's Summer Games. Welcome back to my kitchen, Buns of Steel. We are going to start off like we typically do, washing our hands. I've already washed my hands a lot. We're going to move on over here because we're going to make ourselves, this is a Uncle Dan's coolest ranch taco salad. So with any salad, you must start off with a head of iceberg lettuce. Simple, easy. You take your iceberg lettuce, you drop yourself a smidge of iceberg lettuce in, and you throw the rest in the damn garbage, because this is not a vegan recipe at all. But you do have to have the main ingredients, which are Cool Ranch Doritos. This is about a half a bag, 8 ounces give or take, crushed up into semi-small pieces. It's a big old bowl of Cool Ranch Doritos. Fritos, chili cheese Fritos, go ahead and put yourself about 4 ounces of those. But then you need the deliciousness known as the meat and everything else. This is a half a pound of hamburger and a half a pound of sausage mixed in with some taco seasoning and, of course, Uncle Dan's Zesty Ranch. Throw that bad boy into the pool. Make sure you let it cool for half hour, 45 minutes. You don't want to have it too hot. This is about 10 ounces of Rotel diced tomatoes and green chilies. Get yourself some bacon, because we can. Get yourself about 8 ounces of shredded cheese, whatever type of cheese you so choose. I feel like that guy from that cooking steak video. I'm just trashing the kitchen. And of course, get yourself about half a teaspoon, 3/4 teaspoon of minced garlic. We're gonna move on over here to the ranch portion of Uncle Dan's salad dressings, dips, and seasonings. This is going to be a half a mixture of Uncle Dan's creamy ranch. We got ourselves half a cup. Hey, we interrupt this message for an editor's note. When you take everything and you put it in the big bowl, mix the Uncle Dan's seasoning, the mayonnaise, and the milk before you pour it in. And then you're gonna end up with something delicious like the rest of this video. Don't be like me. Just mix it all beforehand. It's kind of late. Well, we gotta get these videos out because, well, it's all about Uncle Dan's salad dressings, dips, and seasonings for Uncle Dan's Summer Games. After everything is all mixed, get yourself your mixture, put it into a bowl. This is well mixed. Good enough. I actually like to put a little dab of sour cream on top of that as well. So you got the Cool Ranch Doritos, you got the Uncle Dan's deliciousness known as creamy ranch mixed into the meat and also onto the seasoning on top. You have yourself a nice cool summer salad on a hot day like today. Don't forget, UncleDans.com. Use promo code ROCKROCK. Get yourself 15% off of your order at UncleDans.com.